You've heard the phrase, ask and you shall receive. But does that really work? Can we really shape our reality with thoughts and desires alone? Manifestation is not just a spiritual buzzword. It's a powerful process rooted in science and human potential. It's the art of aligning thoughts, emotions, and actions to create the life you want. But how does it actually work? Let's break it down. Part 1. The energy of thought. Everything is energy. The chair you're sitting on, the phone in your hand, and even your thoughts. Energy isn't just abstract. Yes, it's measurable, tangible, and real. Thoughts, emotions, and intentions all carry a frequency. When you think about something, your brain releases neurotransmitters which create an electrical impulse. That impulse sends out a frequency into the universe. This is where quantum physics comes in. Studies show that when we focus on something, we change its energy field. We influence the very fabric of our reality. But just thinking about something isn't enough. You must align your emotions with that thought and take aligned action. Part 2, the law of attraction. The law of attraction states that like attracts like. What does that mean? It means that the energy you emit, through thoughts, emotions, and actions, and attracts similar energy back to you. If you're constantly in a state of fear, doubt, or negativity, you attract more situations, people, and experiences that resonate with that energy. But if you focus on abundance, gratitude, and positivity, you align yourself with higher frequency energy that attracts more of the same. It's like a radio station. If you're tuned to the station of lack, you'll hear nothing but static. But if you're tuned to the station of abundance, you'll start receiving clear signals of opportunity, wealth, and love. Part 3, visualization. Seeing is believing. This is why visualization is so powerful in manifestation. When you see yourself achieving something in your mind's eye, you create a neural pathway in your brain as if it's already happening. Your mind doesn't know the difference between what's real and what's vividly imagined. So, when you visualize success, your mind believes it's already true, and your actions begin to align with that belief. Every successful athlete, entrepreneur, and leader uses visualization to manifest their goals. But here's the key. Belief is the fuel that powers the manifestation. Without belief, even the most powerful visualizations can fall flat. Part 4. Taking action and removing limiting beliefs. Manifestation isn't about sitting back and waiting. It's about aligning your thoughts and emotions with action. This means working toward your goal with purposeful steps while staying connected to your vision. The universe doesn't just hand things to you. It matches your frequency by creating opportunities, people, and circumstances that align with your desires. But it's up to you to take action when the door opens. Now there's one more crucial step. Removing limiting beliefs. We all have subconscious blocks. Fears, doubts, or stories we've been told that stop us from believing we deserve what we desire. To manifest effectively, you must break free from those beliefs and embrace the possibility that you can have everything you want. Aligning with your desires. Manifestation is not magic. It's science, energy, and intention. It's about tuning your mind, emotions, and actions to the frequency of your desires and aligning your energy with the opportunities you want to create. Your thoughts shape your world, your emotions attract similar energy, and your actions build the bridge between where you are now and where you want to be. Manifestation works, but only when you fully understand that you have the power to shape your reality. This is Logivers, where we decode the mysteries of the mind, energy, and human potential. Stay aligned, stay powerful, and let the universe work for you.